You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later God'll cut you down. Sooner or later God'll cut you down. Go and tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down, tell him that God's gonna cut him down. My goodness gracious, let me tell you the news. My head's been wet with the midnight dew. I've been down on bended knee, talking to the man from Galilee. He spoke to me in a voice so sweet, I thought I heard the shuffle of the angels' feet. He called my name and my heart stood still, and he said, "Child, go and do my will." You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later God'll cut you down. Sooner or later God'll cut you down. You may throw your rock and hide your hand, working in the dark against your fellow man. But as sure as God made black and white, what's done in the dark will be brought to the light. You can run on for a long time, run on for a long time, run on for a long time. Sooner or later God'll cut you down. Go and tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him that God's gonna cut him down. Tell him God's gonna cut him down. You can tell him that God's gonna cut him down.